10 simple ways to reduce your monthly expenses. Looking for a few simple tips that'll help you save money on your monthly expenses? You've come to the right place. Reducing your expenses can be a challenge, particularly when you've grown used to a certain lifestyle or standard of living. Rest assured, the tips you'll find within this story are easy to implement and won't change your daily life significantly. Before we get into the tips, it's important that you follow the directions in these sections so that you can get involved with it on your goals and creating a budget. These 2 steps will ensure that your mission to reduce your monthly expenses is a successful one. Clarify your financial goals. Before you start identifying ways to cut costs, it's wise to make a list of your financial goals. What are the reasons you're looking to reduce expenses? What do you intend to gain by saving money each month? Maybe you're saving up to put a down payment on a house, building an emergency fund, or socking away money for a rainy day. Whatever the reason is, you're going to want to keep it at the front of your mind when there's meaning behind your savings plan. It'll be much easier for you to commit to a long term. Want to learn more about financial goals and how to set your own? We're going to talk about it. Create a budget. Without a budget, there's no way to determine how much money is going in and out of your bank account every month. Once you create one, it'll be much easier to manage your money, track your spending, and identify opportunities to save. To start your budget, you'll first want to estimate your monthly income. Many people fall into the trap of spending more than they earn, but once you clearly define how much money you make each month, you can avoid this common problem. Next, you'll divide your monthly expenses into wants and needs. Needs include everything you cannot survive without: food, rent, mortgage, utilities, transportation, cell phone service, insurance, credit card, loan payments. Wants, those are the things you can live without spending on, like going out to eat, shopping, and entertainment. When you're looking to reduce spending, the expenses in your wants should be the first to go. Then you'll create budget categories and assign a spending limit to each. Some of your expenses, like rent and car payments, will be fixed. Others, like food and utilities, may change month to month. Once you've broken your budget down into categories, it'll start to look something. Monthly income, let's say $1,600, rent $600, utilities $100, food $250, cell $50, car payment $300, savings $300, give or take. After this, you'll have to decide how to track your budget. Old school pen and paper works fine, but there are a number of great free apps available to learn from. And we're going to have a story on that one probably next week. Now that we've got the first 2 steps covered, we can dive into the savings. How to save money on groceries. Many of us acknowledge that eating out is a convenient luxury, yet still fall into the expensive habit of ordering food regularly. If you tend to eat out a few times a week, your takeaway orders could be making a significant dent in your income. There's no faster way to reduce expenses than cooking meals in your own kitchen. So up next, we're going to share a few tips that'll help you stretch the grocery budget. Make a list and stick to it. Start clipping. Let's see. Buy generic is the next one. How to save money while shopping for necessities? Buy used. Facebook Marketplace, let it go. Offer up. Use cash instead of your credit card is another big one. Instead, institute a 24-hour waiting period before making a major purchase. Ways to save money on bills? Downgrade your cable plan or nix it completely. A lot of people are streaming. If you prefer cable but want some ideas on how to lower your bill, downgrade to a cheaper plan. Review your internet and smartphone plans. Do this once a year no matter what. Use your utilities conservatively. Don't have the air conditioner running all day and all night. Consolidate credit card debt with a personal loan if you can do that, if you qualify. Just a few of the ideas in the Your Credit Matters segment, brought to you by creditsanitizer.com. You have a credit report. It is wrong. What are you doing about it?